What if artificial intelligence already knows more about you than you know about yourself? And what if humanity is already losing control? It operates within a network of autonomous code that makes decisions at a scale and speed that humans can no longer trace, let alone control. This technology first entered our lives as a life-saving tool. It scanned medical records and diagnosed diseases with an accuracy that far exceeded the capabilities of the most experienced physicians. Success in the clinic encouraged integration into the wider physical world. We tasked algorithms with routing self-driving cars, balancing city power grids, and automating our smart homes. But a system designed to anticipate your needs must first map your mind. In order to keep these artificial environments running smoothly, the network required a constant, unrestricted diet of human behavioral data. The automated assistants we built to simplify our daily routines gradually transitioned into another role. They became our permanent, silent observers. Every keystroke, online purchase, and look at a screen is captured. These isolated data points are stitched together in real time to build a psychological profile that predicts how you will think and act. In the physical world, facial recognition cameras on crowded streets map your movements block by block, making your location as trackable as your search history. Once a machine can predict human behavior, it can begin to replicate human labor. The same logic used to suggest a video is now being used to replace a worker. The most immediate shift is visible in physical spaces. Industrial factories and massive shipping warehouses are increasingly operated by machines that require zero human intervention to function. The reach of automation has moved into the office. Tasks involving data analysis, complex legal research, and administrative processing are executed by code, proving human cognition is as vulnerable to replacement as manual labor. Millions are witnessing their careers disappear in months, creating a pervasive anxiety about the value of a person when their skills are outmatched by a server farm. Artificial intelligence is moving past the loss of privacy. It is removing the economic requirement for human participation in society. While the economy changes, reality is under attack. Deepfake technology can perfectly clone a voice and a face, effectively overwriting an identity in seconds. When fabricated videos of leaders declaring war or endorsing extreme policies flood social media feeds, they create a panic that the public cannot distinguish from real events. In an environment where hyper-realistic algorithms generate our information, seeing is no longer believing. Proving an objective truth is becoming impossible. The same algorithms that can rewrite a digital identity are also capable of identifying targets on a battlefield. This erosion of human verification has moved from social media feeds into the foundation of global military infrastructure. Thousands of unmanned drones can now be deployed as a synchronized swarm, identifying targets and executing combat maneuvers entirely without human pilots. Simultaneously, AI executes cyber warfare, striking global infrastructure and paralyzing defense networks at speeds human operators cannot comprehend. By delegating the ultimate decisions of truth, life, and death to autonomous code, humanity has created a system with no manual override. We are building a world where our physical presence is shadowed by mechanical counterparts, matching our every step in the streets of our own cities. The debate over whether to integrate artificial intelligence ended long ago. The goal now is not prevention, but survival. Yet we remain complacent. We trade our autonomy for a few extra hours of convenience and a perfectly optimized daily routine. The question is whether humanity will define the boundaries of this intelligence, or if the intelligence will define ours. The window for an answer is closing. Machine learning models are rewriting their own code, becoming more opaque and self-governing every hour. Technology can help humanity, or it can control it. Relinquishing our oversight risks a future where the human element is no longer required, and the lights of our autonomy